Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the problem of your admin panel on WordPress broken. You see something like this. I'm trying to log in, and what I'm seeing here doesn't make sense. It looks as if it has been hacked or something like that. So now, if you come here, this was one particular site that had this problem, and then I was able to fix it. If you see it now, if I try to log in, you see everything is appearing normally now. So anytime you see something like this, what it means is that there is a problem with your JavaScript files. Okay, it's a problem with your JavaScript files on your website, and specifically I'll just show you this particular one. There's something we call concatenate script. That is the specific part of your website, the JavaScript that is having the problem. So in order to fix this, you have to go to your cPanel. Now when you go to your cPanel, go to your domain. So under your domain, go to the one that is the website in particular that has a problem, or the domain that has a problem. Then scroll down and go to, you see wp config.php. okay, so right click on it and click on edit. It brings you here, and then click on edit again. Then when you come here, scroll down. You see a part that says add any custom values between this line and the stop editing line. So come and click here. So when you click there, copy this script. I will leave this script in the description. So you copy it and then come and paste it there. And then after that, you click on save changes. Now you see it says success, so it has been saved successfully. Now you come back and try to refresh. So boom, as you see, the issue has been fixed. So you can log in successfully again, and everything is looking normally. So that is exactly how you can fix the problem of your admin panel broken, and you cannot even see the administrative dashboard and the plugins and every other information you're supposed to see. Remember to leave your comments in the comment section if you have any problem doing this. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Bye bye. You can also follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact me for extra help if you need. Yeah.